Madam Juliet, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So I learned you did a dental procedure called scaling and polishing today.
Yes, that's right.
Can you tell me what you understand about scaling and polishing?
Skin and polishing is about maintaining our teeth to make our teeth clean, bright, and shine, and also comfortable.
Okay. How is the treatment procedure?
It was very okay. I thought it would be painful at first, but during the process, I didn't feel any pain. I was okay. It was cool. Love the procedure.
Okay. So will you encourage people to come for scaling and polishing?
Yes, yes. For those of you that think that is stressful or painful, nothing like that. It's very easy. So I advise all to go, and also to make you it will make you to be free in public, because at first I was ashamed to open my teeth and to speak out in public because of the color of my teeth. But now I can smile everywhere, guys. I can see I'm smiling.
No, that's great. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So when often do you need to be doing scaling and polishing?
Every 6 months.
Every 6 months. Thank you very much. So today you've done yours, right?
Yes.
So in the next 6 months, we'll be expecting to see you for another scaling and polishing procedure. Thank you very much. So what will you tell the world?
I will advise them to please, and I'm pleading with you guys, try to go for scaling and polishing of your teeth, because it's very important. Like I said earlier, I was ashamed to open my teeth in public, to speak out in public, because I don't like the way my teeth looks. But now I know I'm very free to do so, and I'm not scared.
All right. Thank you very much.
So